it's Locke, and today we're going to talk about how you can get the Silverwind Larion mount in Bastion from Shadowlands. This mount is a bit of a task to get, but I have some tips that I think will be really handy for you as you go on your adventure to get it. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to know is that you are going to need 50 anima shards. These shards can be found all over Bastion, including in both of the dungeons. I'm not gonna lie, it's a task to get all 50, so you might want to set aside a good, 12 hours of time or a couple days just to grab them because there's a lot of them. But my goal for this video is to help you get your anima shards as quickly and efficiently as possible, quicker than I did, because I'm not gonna lie, I spent a lot more time than I am willing to admit on this, but I'm not gonna be showing every single spot that the shards are located in because there are waypoints all over Wowhead. I'll list that below, and also 1,000 videos on where exactly to go. This is more about the basic tips and tricks that you need to, get the shards quicker than I did. Okay, so we're gonna go over some basic useful tips, useful add-ons, and items that you can get to make everything a little easier on you on your shard exploration. So you're gonna need HandyNotes, and you're also gonna need HandyNotes Shadowlands. If you've never used HandyNotes before, now is your time. Use it. It's amazing. It shows all the locations of different things from rares to chests, even to the shards, and it will give you small little tips on where they're actually located. So in a cliff, or on a platform, or behind something. And then you can also change the scale of the icon of the shard. This is a really huge deal for me because the icons can be so small that they get behind certain other items like a toy icon or a rare icon. And once you change the size of it, you can actually see where they're all at. And next up on the list is Goblin Gliders. Goblin Gliders are going to help you reach those extra hard to get places because there are a ton of those. Like when I say most of them are hard to get to, I mean like 40 out of 50 are hard to reach. So grab Goblin Gliders from the auction house or ask a engineer friend to give you some. Unless you're a demon hunter, then you have the demon hunter wings and have the hacks, but Goblin Gliders will be your best friend. Okay. And you're gonna want to get some gun shoes from the auction house. Now, I'm still mad about not being able to use them in the mob because they're amazing. But one of the areas is the Citadel of Loyalty in Bastion. It is an elite zone. I died a lot here, and the gun shoes really help you zoom past the enemies. You can't use them while you're in combat, but if you pop them before you get into combat, then you can just, zoom right past everybody and save your health a little bit because we all know that we're all a little squishy right now with the start of a new expansion, and our health is very valuable right now, so grab gun shoes. Okay, and this is not an item, this is just a little tip. So many of these freaking shards are on rock ledges, on cliffs, and HandyNotes is gonna kind of tell you where they're at, but you're gonna have to go around rocks, take the long way around to get up them, and just keep that in mind. Whenever you can't find a shard, it's probably on a cliff in some rocks, and there are pathways leading up. You just gotta find them. And you know how I was talking about dying earlier in the Citadel of Loyalty? Well, if you do die and you just don't want to mess with anybody, use your ghost to your advantage. Resurrect yourself away from the enemies, and you'll have a clean path up any kind of rock ledges you gotta climb to get the shards. And after you get all 50 shards, you're gonna wanna head over to 5931 to this NPC, and you're gonna ask it to make you a hammer. He's gonna do some hammering to make your item. And then you're gonna wanna take that item to 3626. So that will be north towards the Citadel of Loyalty. Your HandyNotes actually has it marked for you. So yeah, 3626, you're gonna get over here. This area is called the Shrine of the Silverwind, and this is where you ring the bell to summon your chest. And that's basically how you loot the mount. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would like to do more mount videos in the future. Also, don't forget, I stream on Twitch, mostly playing World of Warcraft all the freaking time. So if you enjoyed my content, please, please, please follow me over there. I would appreciate it so much. And I will see you guys next time. Happy mount farming!